Hello, wonderful people. My name is Betsy, and today I'm going to show you how I spiced up this sleep mask. It's pretty self-explanatory, so let's get right into it. The first thing I did was look at reference, and I kind of used that to pick out my colors. I just brought out some paint, some brushes. I didn't even sketch. I didn't practice beforehand. I just jumped right into it. So I was kind of just like free associating, just drawing whatever came to mind. All different shapes of flowers, but mainly just, 5-petaled flowers. I tried to do this little flower that has a bunch of little, dots, but I ended up hating it. So I painted over it, and then I just added a bunch of stems. I messed up a lot, but the joy of art and painting is that you can just fix it, paint right over it. That's what I'm doing here. I really didn't care if I messed up when I was doing this. I was just kind of doing whatever came to mind, and it was really relaxing, really therapeutic, and I really enjoyed it. I ended up trying to cover the entire canvas, and this is how it came out. I really, really love it. Yes, that is a role play of me being a ghost peasant girl. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.